70% siguro pag napipil kong maganda ako. Tapos, yung mga natira, yun yung feel ko pangit ako.
Wow! So, ilang percent ang maganda ka?
70. Buti nga, 7 may natira pang 30. Nakakahiya naman kasabihin ko na dala mo na.
Hi guys, this is Natalie and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video is going to be unboxing of my March Boxycharm. I do know that I haven't even posted my past Boxycharm. I've been slacking. I am so sorry about that. It's just like I'm just not feeling it to post videos, and I don't know if I should say my schedule is so hectic. Maybe because my Tochang went to the Philippines and I am back to cooking, you know. So yeah guys, so let's go ahead and unbox this Boxycharm. So for this one is, I know is the theme is vacation. That's how they do it, and the vacation nila is BAE, as in bay. So of course the drill is, that's what I say, vacation. They went to Mexico, I know, because I've been watching their Boxycharm Instagram. So I will put this one. This is the list of what I have inside, and there's already a 3 sneak peek that they posted on Instagram of what all the charmers will get. So let's start this, and I got a 25% on Butter London, which good to know. Sorry about that. That's Ash again. So first things first is, when I saw this on Instagram, I really get excited because it's a pretty vulgar. This is my first item from that company actually, so I'm kind of excited. Yes. So the first one, the pretty vulgar, is the MSRP of this is $26. Make them blush. That's what it said. I actually need more blush, so that's good. So let's do a swatch and see how this. I just say yeah, it's pinkish, so it's good. I think it's gonna be good in my complexion, especially if I put my foundation. So but this one is like, it's not chalky, but it looks like a matte blush. Yeah, but I do like this one. Thank you so much, Boxycharm. Yes. And for the next item is this Double Decker Butter London Lash Mascara, and it say here, wow. So and this one is from Butter London. MSRP of this mascara is $20. Get 200. Wow. Get 200% thicker lashes in just one coat, and a 314% increase in lash curl. Wow. Again, wow. So I was wondering, like, how gonna be my lash. Wow. This is really like big mascara. It's like huge. Wow. Like, oh my god, it's like big. To be honest with you, let's see. Oh, and this is how the tip, and there's no scent. It's like just the regular chemical scent of this. Of course, it's black, and like I said, the MSRP of this is $20. Thank you so much, Butter London and Boxycharm, for sending this. And the next item is South Main 3 Eye Gel Pack. Yeah, this is from South Main. I guess that's the name of the company. Yeah, South Main Beauty. And the MSRP of this eye gel is $10. Our under eye gel are great for an easy mask without the cleanup. They soften and moisturize to ensure you look rested and refreshed. That's good to know. So I'll definitely be trying this. Thank you so much. This is the one. It's hard. Is that really supposed to be? Maybe because there is like inside like a, I don't know how you call it, a container. No, not a container. It's just something like they put, like, you know, it's not just like they put the eye mask in there. So thank you so much. And then for the next one, this is when I get excited, and that's the reason why I love Boxycharm so much, is because, you know, as a makeup lover, we cannot have enough brushes. I do have a lot of makeup brush. My husband bought me from Sephora, which is the set, the Urban Decay, and as well the Natasha Denona. I haven't even used it yet or tried it yet, and I'm having trouble, you know, like I always having trouble to open things. So this one is from the Vintage, I'm sorry. This is from the Vintage Cosmetics. This is a smoky eye makeup brush set, and the MSRP of this is $23.15. So this comes with 3, that's as far as I know, and that is the first one. This is the second one. It's for like probably like smudging here. So yeah, that one and this one. And I would say that it's soft, but it's kind of like, well, I guess it's like really for smoky eyes, that's why it's kind of stiff. But overall, like, you know, the brush itself is very soft, and like if you poke that to your eye, it's not hurt like other brush that it like it hurts like every time that you do like that, like wiper motion, it hurts. Now I do have one like that, that's like from Urban Decay, that every time that I do swipe like that, it's get hurt in my eyelid. So whoops, last but not the least, my goodness, sorry, is for the Complexion Authority. This is the makeup palette. This is the eyeshadow palette. This is together with the Boxycharm Fur that they're actually been showing on Instagram, which is I'm really excited. No, there's no oh yeah, there is a tape. That's why. Oh well, let me open it. It will be helpful if I open it. This is the first, like never really, every time that they send them eye palette, they don't really have like that tape, but yeah. So this is how it looks. So thank you, Lord, you know, it's not broken eyeshadow, so that's a good thing. That's all the shades. I'm really excited to try this one out. It's like kind of like blue, like metallic blue, because there's like kind of glitter in that. So if there's another tape in here, oh no, there's no tape, and let's get dirty. Sorry, let's do a swatch of this blue one. Like I'm learning how to do swatch. Oh, it's bright. Oh my god, that's my daughter. If it's not a dog, it's my daughter. That's the thing. And this is really blue, and there's a metallic, and this one is, there's like kind of like fuchsia, I think that's how we call it, and it's a matte shade, and my god, this is very pigmented, and it's very smooth, like, you know, it's like there's not much of a fallout, I guess, and it's like when you slide your finger there, is really smooth like my skin, because I use LMS. So yeah guys, that's most of this one, this blue, and this one is my favorite that palette. So I would definitely be trying to use that when I do my makeup. Like, you know, I always do my makeup just one eye, and my daughter just like said, why always one eye? Is so weird, but that's just me, you know. So yeah guys, that is all for this March Boxycharm. So I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I cannot wait for the month coming, for the April, to see what we will be getting. You know, this Boxycharm, if you don't know, this is a monthly subscription, and it's $20 per month, but they guarantee that you're getting more than $100 worth of item, which is, it is more than $100 if we calculated each of the item that is on this box. So yeah guys, like I said, I do hope you enjoy this video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll definitely see you next time. Thank you. Bye.